Meet Jewel Ice, the one-of-a-kind, rectangular, crystal-clear, slow-melting ice maker. The perfection of a drink comes down to the ice. What's your favorite drink? Is it a Long Island iced tea? Perhaps the highball? Or maybe it's a simple gin and tonic? Jewel Ice was designed to perfect a wide variety of drinks and glasses. With hygienic silicone molds perfectly sealed to prevent odor and pollutants from affecting the ice, freezing crystal clear ice to perfection. One mold can freeze and hold up to 6 cubes of crystal clear ice. At the same time, it is compact and space efficient, nicely fitting into your freezer. Designed with convenient handles making it easy to remove from the case and easy to wash. We use 100% recyclable EPP insulation because we care about the environment. Jewel Ice can last up to a lifetime. Ice carving is now a thing of the past. All you have to do is clink, stir, and enjoy. Enjoy the perfect drink with Jewel Ice. Jewel Ice is the perfect way to enjoy your drink with style. With our Kickstarter campaign, we hope to take our brand to a global level. And with your support, we can make that happen. Brilliant moment, brilliant memory, Jewel Ice.